So we came in, so we're gonna go. That is mud. Okay, all right. Like, I have not gotten confidence with mud yet, but I feel like that's a little deep. I feel like that's a little deep. I feel like I did that just fine. There we go. Okay, that was a little pucker factor there, and it looks like that's what we're gonna have to deal with this road. So this may be a no-go for me. I don't mind a little bit here, but I'm trying to talk myself out of this. I also kind of want to just fucking do it. There we go. All right, see how it goes. Okay. Okay. I expected the ascent. I just hope not to expect to descend directly into a mud puddle that I can't then traverse. Okay. Okay. Oh, buddy. Okay. I've been feeling this. Not bad. Just trying to stay in this little gravel spot right here. Hopefully it doesn't throw me down. Ooh, that is a descent. Okay. Maintain my speed. Don't go too crazy. I'm not a pro at this. I never claimed to be. Like I said, this is my first season getting into this kind of stuff. So, ooh, that was interesting. So if I come off that right side, it's going to be I'm going to have speed on me. If I can control it from the left side, I think that would be better. Okay. I'm going to just creep it. I know momentum is kind of my friend in this situation. I just don't want to end up in that bush down there. I'm going to creep it down. If I start to feel slide, I'll try to catch it again. There we go. There we go. There we go. So far, so good. It's like we're just okay, it's expected. So I'm just creeping this down. I'm not trying to get on any speed. That is where I'm going to have trouble. See if I'm going to get out from under me. I'm trying to avoid that. It wants to go into there. Okay. Okay, still moving, still moving, still moving. Nope, nope. So I'm still sliding, it's fine. As soon as I can get my direction figured out. On with this. There we go. And unlocked for me. Alright. Alright. If that was a straightaway in front of me and I could see what was past that last tree there, I would not be doing this. I'd be going a little bit faster. This is probably not the best way to do this, but I'm trying to teach myself. It's the only way I'm going to do it. Okay. It's very soft still. Okay. Okay. I won't feel this tomorrow. Like, how far are we going? It's down this hill. A little turn. Maybe to the right of the rocks. Must be there. I'm telling off this hill. Straight down. This is precarious as fuck. Rear, brake. Okay. Good. Think. See, I'm gonna have to cross down there. Some of these rocks are exceedingly stable, and I don't think just a super slip patch in the front brake just. Yeah, kind of like that. Another riding I wanted to do, just not quite this soon yet. They're not all going to be winners. Okay. So if I go straight, there'll be a dip. But I'll get some speed off that dip and I'll have to slow down in the rocks. If I go to the left, I can manage it. Stay aside. To the side. Yes. Oh boy. My bike's gonna need a shower after this, and so am I. Oh man. That's a workout. What bullshittery do we have now? Okay. This is looking squishy as hell. So, go for it. That's why that wasn't like 8 feet deep. So. Aside from the challenge, this is an absolutely gorgeous trail. But I mean, the challenge kind of makes it too, right? It's an experience. So, especially in the last section. Down to the main road, Charlie's Creek. If everything's up here since we're going to catch the main road. It may not. Yeah, alright. I'm live. I'm not counting my chickens yet, but there's the main road down there. One last section just for hot ice. Okay. All right.